student, good morning. Today I am going to start the last part of this chapter, exercise. Page number 113 and 114. This portion I will complete in two parts. This one is the first part of exercise. This is the first part of the exercise. Now I am starting from question number 1. Already you have done this type of problem. That one is let us practice 9.1 to 9.5. Now I am going to solve from 1. Write the following amount in words. From each question I will solve one and other you will solve by yourself. Repeat A1. Write the following amount in words. Rupees 125.10. You have to write this one in words. 125 rupees. 125 rupees and 10 paise. If you want to write down 125 in words, 125 rupees and tea and 10 paise. Now, number B will do yourself. Question number 2. A. Convert the following amounts of money into paise. Rupees 75. When you convert rupees to paise, you have to multiply by 100. So 75 into 100 p equal 7,500 paise. Okay. Now other you will solve yourself in your maths copy. Number 3. Convert each of the following into rupees and paise. Question number 3A. 40,000 for P. 40,000 for P paise equal. For converting rupees you have to divide this one by 100. So first you put rupees sign, then 40,000 divided by 100 plus 4p equal rupees 400 plus 4p equal rupees 400.04. Okay. Converting into paise. 25 rupees 7 paise and 41 rupees 8 paise. To solve this one, first you convert rupees and paise into paise. After you will add the numbers. 25 rupees 7 paise equal 25 into 100p plus 7p equal 2500p plus 7p equal 2507p. Now 41 rupees 8 paise. 8 paise. 41 into 100 p plus 8p equal 4100p plus 8p equal 4108p. Now add this 2 paise. 7 plus 8 15. 1 is in your hand. 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, so 1. 5 plus 1 6. 4 plus 2, 6. So answer is 6615p. 4b you will solve. Number 5, add the following amount. Number 5, homework, and you will solve this portion in your book. Okay. Question number 5 is your homework, and you will solve A, B and C in your book. Now 6. Subtract the following amount by converting into paisa. In the same way, first you convert rupees and paisa into paisa. After you will subtract the numbers. 20 paise from 41 rupees, 25 paise. First 41 rupees. 25 paise equal 41 into 100p plus 25p. 4100p plus 25p equal 4125p. Rupees 20 paise, 29 rupees, 29 rupees, 20 paise, 20 paise equal 29 into 100p plus 20p equal 2000 equal 2900p plus 20p equal 2920p. Now subtract the paise. P 5 minus 0, 5, 2 minus 2, 0, 1 is smaller than 9, so 11, 2 plus 1, 3, 1. Okay, so answer is 1205 paise. B you will solve by yourself. Now 7, I want you will solve it in your book, and also multiplication, because already subtraction and multiplication I have done in my previous video. So student, first you will try to solve it. If you can't do, then you can ask me in your book. Now 7 and 8, question number 7 also is your homework, and question number 8 also is your homework. These both portion you will do in. Okay, and from question number 1 to 4, question number 1 to 4 you will solve in copy and also 6. Question number 1 to 4 you will solve in copy, and also question number 6 in copy. Okay, the rest of the part you will solve in your book. Now question number 10, 11 and 12. Here are 3 word problem. From here I am going to solve any one of them, and other 2 you will solve by yourself. 10. Mrs. Lal bought onions for rupees 32.50, carrots for 22.05 and potatoes for 18.00. How much did she spend on vegetables? For that you have to add, because you have to add the total amount of money. How much he spent for vegetables? So then you have to do addition. Number 11, if one pizza costs rupees 169.75, find the cost of 6 pizza. The cost of one pizza is 169.75. So how much the cost of 6 pizza? You have to multiply to find out your answer. So this one is multiplication. Number 12, Poridhi brought 5 fancy dresses for rupees 1226.25. Find the cost of each dress. The cost of 6 dresses rupees 1226.25. Find the cost of each dress. For that you have to divide this one. Okay, so first one is addition, second one is multiplication, third one is division. Number 1 I am going to solve for you, and 11 and 12 you will solve by yourself. Now cost of onions rupees 32.50. Cost of carrots rupees 22, rupees 22.05. Cost of potatoes equal rupees 18. Therefore, how much did she spend on vegetable? Mrs. Lal, how much did she spend on vegetable? She spent on vegetables. She spent on vegetables equal 5 again 5 plus 0 5 plus 0 5 plus 0 5 plus 0 5. Put dot here. 2 plus 2 4, 8 plus 4 12. 1 is in your hand. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. Rupees 72.55. Now answer. How much did she spend on vegetable? She spent rupees 72.55 on vegetables. Okay, so 11 and 12 you will solve 11 and 12. Okay student, now I am ending my class here. Take care. Thank you.